Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng PGGC Navy Sea Lions ang Chichi Titans 25-20, 25-17, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Marvin Villanueva sa likod ng kanyang 19 points mula sa 14 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Pinadapa naman ng sabod si Spin Doctors ang Signal HD Spikers 19-25, 27-25, 19-25, 25-23, 15-13. Best player of the game si Sherwin Caritativo sa likod ng kanyang 19 points at 19 attacks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 25, 2024. Sabod si Spin Doctors 3 wins 0 loss 7 points. FEU Den Steel 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. PGGC Navy Sea Lions 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Criss Cross King Crunchers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Signal HD Spikers 1 win 1 loss 4 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. The Navigators Iloilo 1 win 1 loss 2 points. VNS Griffins 1 win 2 losses 3 points. Martelli Mets 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Chichi Titans 0 win 4 losses 1 point. Eco El Lasal 0 win 0 loss 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 27, 2024 na gaganapin sa Inaris Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Martelli Mets at Eco El Lasal Green Oilers alas 2 ng hapon. Magtutos ang PGGC Navy Sea Lions at FEU Den Steel alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Criss Cross King Crunchers at The Navigators Iloilo alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.